Don't have this wallet yet? Chill. I got you covered. In just a few steps, I'll teach you how to ride a meme coin wave and bag crazy gains. Stick around and let's turn those zeros into heroes. Alright, I'll drop the method in just a sec, but listen up. Launching your meme coin wrong is like shooting yourself in the foot before the race even starts. Using pump fun? Big mistake. And trust me, you don't want to be making that mistake. Listen, just pull up Photon and hit that pump fun filter. It's a non-stop meme coin factory. You'll see trash like Terrified and Vinesify popping off every moment. But let's keep it real. These are DOA. Pump fun's basically a vending machine for shitcoins at this point. Zero barrier to entry means zero quality. Pop open Radium's new listings. You'll spot maybe 5 fresh coins in the last 3 minutes. That's nothing compared to the spam factories out there. Here's the kicker. These actually get eyeballs and volume. Why? Because building here takes real dev skills. No copy-paste garbage. That coding barrier? It's your quality filter. Let me break down how we play this elite field. Let me put you on game. Launch Tool is my secret weapon for Radium drops. Zero coding, just point and click profits. Been crushing it with this exact method for weeks straight. The results don't lie. This is next level easy money. Gotta tell you, I already snagged a fire logo off Google that matches my coin's vibe. You know my style, I ride dog memes themes hard. Here's the move. Pop open Canva, set your canvas to 128 by 128. Tweak your image like I did mine, then hit share and download. Donazo. Alright, back to Launch Tool we go. First things first, fill in your coin details properly. I'm naming mine Slay Dog Coin with Slay as the symbol. For the description, I'm dropping this hilarious line. Slay Aw Dog is ready to bite you. Feel free to get creative with yours. Upload your logo. Hit next. Now the important part, leave decimals and supply at default. That 1 billion supply is crucial. Don't overthink it, just click next. Alright, we're at the creator info section now. It's asking for a name and website, but here's the deal. They charge 0.1 SOL for each one. Not worth it in my opinion. Social media links? Completely unnecessary, so just hit skip. Now pay close attention. This next part is super important. If you mess with that revoke mint setting, you're basically allowing unlimited coin minting. And let's be real, no serious investor would touch a coin like that. It screams scam. So don't touch anything here. Just click launch my token. Confirm the transaction when your wallet pops up. And boom, your token is officially live. That's how easy Launch Tool makes it. Now let's verify our coin actually exists. Just click to check SolScan. Yep, there it is on the Solana network. Sweet. Back to Launch Tool we go. Hit that Create Liquidity Pool button, which takes us straight to Radium. Wallet not connected? Just connect it quick like I did. Next step, we need to add our coin as the base token. Click the field. Jump back to Launch Tool to copy your token address, then paste it into Radium's search. Almost there, just need to fill in our token details. I'm sticking with Slay Dog Coin for the name and Slay for the symbol. Click Add User Token, then hit that button once more. Finally, enter 900 million in this tab and select SOL as our quote token. Easy peasy. Alright, here's the deal. You're about to become your coin's first buyer, and that's actually perfect. Max out your buy because honestly, you can't lose here. To make this look legit to others, you'll want at least 1 SOL in liquidity. Now remember, subtract 0.2 SOL from that because Radium takes a creation fee. See that initial price section? Set the fee tier to 2%. Triple check everything looks right, then we're good to create the pool. Confirm the transaction. And boom, our pool is live, which means we're officially open for business. Investors can start pouring in now. Boom. Check Photon now. Your coin's right there in the listings. Let's see some action. Head over to dexscreener.com and click any random coin. Now grab your token address from Launch Tool, replace that random address in the search bar, and hit enter. Give it a sec to load. And there's your beautiful chart. See those tiny trades? Just bots doing their thing. Pay them no mind. We're waiting for the real meaty orders. Honestly, I'm just gonna kick back until we get that first proper buy. Been waiting for 2 minutes and still nothing, man. But hey, look at these numbers. I hope they will change any moment when we get an order. But the thing is that, oh snap, already got one. And trust me, more are coming. Please remember this stats I'm showing you now, and we'll check them out later as well. Current stats. The liquidity is at $480, and the market cap is at $290. Not bad for starters for real. But my instinct says that they'll change real soon. So let's check that guess if it's true or not. But folks, while we're waiting, let me just show you something interesting. In the last 5 minutes, the coin has grown by 116%, and in total, since it was paired, it has grown by 170%. Not gonna lie, that's very decent. But let's see what happens when... Sorry, I got distracted. But let's see what happens when we wait a few more... Ha, look. Told you those numbers would climb. Bam. Another buy just hit for almost 2 sol, which is $240. And get this, the order timestamp shows just 23 seconds ago. Hey, let's check out the chart now, and let's check it out later as well. We can already see that is big, but holy shit. It's currently sitting at 700% growth from where we initially started. I'll be straight. My plan is to rug the coin after the next order, cause I think that's the best move on the chessboard since the lick and market cap numbers are already high. Absolute madness. Here's the kicker though, we haven't even marketed this thing. The real power move? You can pull liquidity repeatedly with this method. I'm telling you it's an absolute cheat code. Wait, third order already? That's $150. And on top of that, that's a full sol now in our pool. Check the chart. Damn. We are up 1,080% since launch. This is straight insanity. Alright, profit time. Let's rug this thing. First, open Radium and connect your wallet. Hit standard to see your current position. Now click that minus button and max it out to 100%. This shows your available withdrawal. Focus on the SOL amount since that's your real cash out. Ready? Click remove liquidity and confirm the transaction like always. Easy money. Boom. You'll get that remove liquidity confirmed notification. That's your cue to check Phantom Wallet for your withdrawal. Personally, turned $270 into $400 in pure profit with this play. Crazy stuff, guys. Oh, I also forgot to mention something. You might even get bigger profits than I did, but the best thing that makes this method an ultimate cheat code is how little time you spend doing it. Like, folks, did you see how hella fast everything is? That's genuinely mind-blowing. I don't know about you, though. Oh, but listen to what I have to say now. Full transparency. I'm not affiliated with LaunchTool, Photon, or Radium at all. This is strictly educational. But damn, these returns are insane right now. The method's literally printing money as we speak, so if you're gonna move, move now.